Enjoy the Great Allegheny Passage Trail with me. From Connellsville, a little bit past Confluence, back to Connellsville. Let's go. Confluence, Pennsylvania. Doggy. Confluence. The Youghiogheny River, right outside of South Connellsville, Pennsylvania. It's nothing like the mountains. Right outside of Confluence, Pennsylvania, heading towards Ohiopyle, PA. Feels good, longest bike ride, close to 60 miles. Let's go. Confluence, Pennsylvania, the Great Allegheny Passage Trail. Enjoy. This is what it's about. God is so good.